Bitcoin might drop here in the immediate short term, and I will show you in this video the exact levels that we are going to watch here, because I believe this dump will be a little bit different than the dumps that we are having seen in the last couple of days and weeks here. And guys, don't forget that you can still get up to $8,720 in bonuses for using my BYBIT link. Here on BYBIT you get $4,600 in free bonuses with this specific link here, and on Phemex you get $4,100 in bonuses also with that specific link here. I prefer BYBIT, that is the exchange that I like to trade on, but there's nothing wrong if you want to trade also on Phemex. So, and now let's get right into it. So here on the Bitcoin 12-hourly chart, we can see that the Bitcoin price was respecting here this upward sloping, let me quick change the color. So the Bitcoin price was respecting this upward sloping support line. So, and also this downward sloping resistance line. So, and now the price action is getting to the apex of the resistance and the support line, because they are converging here. So, and now obviously the question is, in which direction will the Bitcoin price most likely go? Will we see here a breakout to the upside, or will the price go to the downside? So, and here's something quite interesting developing in the chart right now that gives us actually a hint what might be playing out here. So, and when we are looking here again on this upward sloping support line, then we see here on the RSI that the RSI is, since we have created this high point here, trending to the downside. So what is happening every time when the RSI is not creating a newer high, but the price is going higher and higher? So then we see here a bearish divergence. The price is going up, the RSI is going down. So that is exactly what we are seeing here right now. So, and unless we see here the same scenario what we have seen here a couple days back with I think it was around here this area on a smaller time frame. So unless we are seeing here a break above this downwards trend line on the RSI to avoid this bearish divergence to play out, we will see here move to the downside in the immediate short term for the Bitcoin price. So that will be not necessarily a bad thing. So that will be, in my opinion, the last possibility to buy here Bitcoins quite cheap before we see here a massive rally to the upside. So, but obviously you guys want to know where will be the level where the price will drop to. So I believe that the Bitcoin price will come back here into this green support area and test this support here once again. So we could actually also see that we break through here with a wick, will come back into the support zone. So then everybody who was long got liquidated, and then we see the Bitcoin price here turning around and going then here to the upside, and then hopefully breaking the $47,336 level. So because also this has acted now in the past as crucial resistance. So we have tried to break above here and failed. So we also tried it here. Then yesterday we tried it again and failed again. And then we saw here also this a bigger, let me show it to you guys when I zoom in here. So also then we saw here this heavy rejection from the level to the downside. So with then today's candle also moving here a little bit lower. So we can also see this quite clearly when we look here again on our downwards broadening wedge here. So where the price action was here bouncing up and down in between. So, and we came here multiple times also to try to test this downward sloping resistance level. So we tested it back here, we tested it back here, tested it back here. So, and also back here. So, and then we broke out of it. So, and now if the 45,000 support level would not hold, then the next level to watch to would be the top of this resistance line at $39,750. But I really don't believe that we go that low. I believe we will get supported by the $45,000 level, and on the lower end we would be here at 44,000 $100, so $44,000, $45,000. That is kind of the range where I see the Bitcoin price going down to. So, and when we go here a little bit back in the past, we can also see here that this was a crucial level for the Bitcoin price. Every time when we got above this, so we got here above this level, so we got here a nice move to the upside. So we broke then here again under it, so it turned into resistance. Then we broke above it again, got here this massive move to the upside. Then here also support, and then turned this into resistance again. So then you can see multiple tests where we tried to break above this resistance quite recently, could not manage it. So but here comes now the but. So here we tested this perfectly as support right now. So and that's why I believe, even though we get here maybe a small correction or to the downside, that this will give us support, as it did also back here. And we'll see then a continuous move here to the upside, breaking 47,000, and move here in direction of the technical target of this downwards broadening wedge here at $54,000. So we can see this also here on the Fibonacci extension levels. So if I take here this top and I pull this here to the bottom to let me see here, swing now. So here, so then you see this here quite nicely lining up here with the 1.618 level, more or less. So if I take here now this line, see, so we are really close under the $55,000 level if we go here all the way up to the technical target of this downwards broadening wedge here. So the 1.618, 1.65 is not far away. It's 55,184 to 55,500 approximately. So, and so how would I trade this now? So if I would be on the sideline, so what I would not do is short Bitcoin. So because we could see here a really fast recovery from the Bitcoin price, something that we have seen over here. So where the Bitcoin price comes down and immediately back up. So if you short this, you will only get wrecked. So that's why I will not recommend this. So, but I would set some buy orders here for a potential long position. That's also what I'm doing, to catch this and then ride this to the upside with a long position. So between 44,000 and 44,000, let's say $800 there, I would place some buy orders to catch this nice long opportunity. So, and guys, don't forget, if you want to trade this potential long position here when we are dumping, then you can still go here to BYBIT, or you can go to Phemex, and you can use the link in the pinned comment and in the video description below. There you get $4,620 in free bonuses if you deposit some money here with my specific link here for BYBIT, or on Phemex $4,100 in deposit bonus for using this specific link here under my Phemex bonus. So then let's get here into Ethereum, because also in Ethereum we see obviously a reaction what's happening with Bitcoin. That's why we are retracing here. We were yesterday here for quite a while in the $3,500 range. So, but now also see here a correction. So let me flip this into a 4-hourly chart that you can see it's a little bit better. So what we should not forget is here the red line. The red line was the neckline of the bigger W pattern on the higher time frames. So, and that was also the reason why I had longed yesterday for a short time. But then when I saw that we went here above this line, that was where I closed my long position, because I did not trust this move. So, and it was the right decision to close to close the trade and to get stopped out here. So I got stopped out at $3,530 approximately. So there I closed my Ethereum long position. So because now we are back in this potential bull flag formation here for the Ethereum price. For now, we are getting supported above the neckline of the bigger W pattern on the higher time frames. So, but if we break under this, then we might get here a fake out. So to the downside. So, but if we treat here this still as a bull flag, So then we see the technical target is here all the way up at $3,772. But for this, we need another breakout, come back into this channel. So, and also a small break out of this channel here on the 4-hourly chart for Ethereum. So obviously if Bitcoin takes now a dump to $44,000, $45,000, then also Ethereum will most likely dump here to the downside. So, and then the level that I would be watching out for would be the $3,350 level, because we have now turned this into support. Once we came above here, so we break then above this, beneath this level, but then came straight back up here on the daily chart. So, and yeah, that should give us some sort of support. That's, in my opinion, the next stronger level of support here. So we can also have a look here on the volume range. So also there, let me zoom out here a little bit to see. Yeah, there you can also see that we are right now here more or less in a gap on the higher time frame. Yeah, there we go. That's what I wanted to see. So there you see, here is the last longest bar at $3,524. So, and that's why we saw Ethereum yesterday quite quickly rallying higher here. So, and that's the level to reclaim for the Ethereum bulls to continue this rally here to the upside, because then the next level, and you can see I cannot make this up. So the next longer volume bar is lining up, the lower end is lining up with the next technical target of $3,772. That is the bull flag target. So there is a lot of confidence that the Ethereum price can in the immediate short term actually rally all the way up here. So, but yeah, the bulls have to come back and prevent further dump here to the downside. So, but don't get fooled that and will be, in my opinion, really short-lived if we go into the downside, and then we see here also further move to the upside. So if I would be then looking here for a long position on Ethereum right now, then I would most likely long this the first time if we touch here $3,433. So, and then I would add to my position at $3,353, because like I said, I don't believe that we break this specific level. There on the volume profile is a lot of confluence that there is massive support along this line here. So, and yeah, the next resistance is then up here, which is lining in perfectly confluence up with the technical target of this bull flag. Then some of you guys have asked me for Cardano, to analyze Cardano. So Cardano has broken above this downward sloping resistance line. So where Cardano was held under for quite a while here. So as we can see here, there was resistance. So along the line, multiple times tested as resistance. And then we broke now finally above this a week ago. So, but obviously if Bitcoin takes in our dump, we could see a retest of this line, but then a bounce back here to the upside. So, and the levels that I'm looking out for here for Cardano in the immediate short term would be, first of all, here the $1.42 level. So because also here you can see there's a lot of confluence from the past along this line. So here it was support. Then we broke it, here was resistance, so here it became support again, here support, and then we broke it, then here again resistance, resistance. So now we should come back up and test this here once again. So, and yeah, if we can clear also that level, then $1.63 would be the next one to watch. So there you go, you have two targets to the upside and also one to the downside. So to the downside, it would be around $1 in my opinion. Guys, that's already for today's episode. Don't forget that you can also still join here my paid signals group. We are killing it there every day. Doesn't matter if market is up or down. It really doesn't matter. People make stunning gains there, so definitely check this out. When you click this link, you will get be connected with one of my staff members. They can show you our track record that we are really smashing it here. So, or you join the free channel. I'm not sharing signals there, but we are exchanging ideas, talking about different projects and in general about the market. So definitely check this out, guys. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this this video, smash up the like button and destroy the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for watching and being part of the AMCrypto family. Subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.